Welcome to our comparison video where we take a closer look at two powerful graphics cards, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 3060 and the ASUS ProArt GeForce RTX 4060 Ti. In this video, we will explore their specifications, performance, and value to determine which card is the better choice for gamers and creators alike. The GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 3060 is designed for budget-friendly gaming, providing solid performance for 1080p and some 1440p gaming. However, the ASUS ProArt GeForce RTX 4060 Ti takes performance to the next level with its Ada Lovelace architecture, offering significantly better performance, especially at higher resolutions and with ray tracing enabled. This makes the RTX 4060 Ti a better choice for gamers who want to experience the latest titles at higher settings. When it comes to price, the GIGABYTE RTX 3060 is priced at $319, making it an affordable option for gamers on a budget. In contrast, the ASUS RTX 4060 Ti comes with a premium price tag of $529. While the RTX 4060 Ti offers superior performance, the price difference is significant, and budget-conscious consumers may prefer the RTX 3060 for its value. In terms of features, the GIGABYTE RTX 3060 comes with 12 GB of GDDR6 memory and supports basic gaming needs. On the other hand, the ASUS RTX 4060 Ti boasts 16 GB of GDDR6 memory, supports DLSS 3, and features a higher quality build with advanced cooling solutions. These features make the RTX 4060 Ti more suitable for demanding tasks and future-proofing your setup. In conclusion, both the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 3060 and the ASUS ProArt GeForce RTX 4060 Ti have their strengths and weaknesses. The RTX 3060 is a great budget-friendly option, while the RTX 4060 Ti offers superior performance and features for those willing to invest more. We hope this comparison helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.